Okay, this C1 rear door jamb insert is designed to give you more room to get in and out of the car for us bigger folks. And so you take the original jamb that's in there out. But before you go to start cutting it, you need to know where to go. And so if you have your original jamb in there, you could eyesight this by putting it on there, but we're going to give you some measurements here so you know exactly where to go. So this jamb is already cut out, so we can't show you from the very beginning, but we can tell you as far as what we've done. Go from the front edge of the door jamb. On the inside of the jamb, you're going to come back 30 inches. See my 30-inch mark back to there's 30 inches. Then you go from that same point out to 30.5 inches. It tells you where to cut that. Then you come around and measure from here to the outer edge of this jamb is 6 inches. From here, or from, you should say, from this part of the jamb in 6.5 inches. This part of the jamb in just before the at the latch, 8 inches. And here at the top, 1.25 inches. You're going to draw your line down there. I suggest you tape it off with masking tape, do all your line drawings, and then you get an idea of what you got going here. One thing you're going to have to do to this panel to make it work with the stock floor is we've dropped our floor roughly 2 inches. And so you'll have to come in here and cut this to sit down in there, and then you take this piece that you cut off and grind it and prep it and glue it to the back side of that when you're gluing this all together. And that piece will go in there such as so. And then you just finish fitting it to fit in there. And then you bond it in place. Get everything fit. Check your door clearance, which you can see we have door clearance. And so the area you are with your door closed leaves you ample room for your door panel, and it cuts this back, gives you a little more room to slide your butt in there. So there it is. Just keep in mind, tape everything off, mark it, get your measurements. That you're gonna have to change because we've dropped the floor down in this car 2 inches. Gives you a little more room, but not everybody's gonna do that. But this is gonna help get in and out of the car. Hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.